Okay, Nick, I apologize for the length of time it's taken me to get this circuit worked up for you and to make this video and get it uploaded so you could take a look at it. The holidays, of course, set me back several working days, and then I've just had a considerable number of orders around the holidays, so I just got kind of behind. But I finally got this circuit set up, these navigation lights set up, I think the way you want them. So I just wanted to make this little video per your request and let you see what it looks like and how it's working. This is the main control board that you asked about. I sent you the dimensions on that. Now this is based loosely on my all-in-one nav lights. You'll notice in the top left-hand corner of the board you got this little push-button switch. That will allow you to change both the simulated speed of this rotating beacon and the blink rate of this strobe. Right now it's on a slow blink rate and a single strobe. I'm going to press it one time off camera here and you'll see that now it starts blinking twice. I'm going to press it again and it will blink 3 times. That would be, well, I think I pressed it too many times. Now we're at the fast rotation. Yeah, I pressed it twice. That's the fast rotation of the beacon, and we're back at a single strobe. See if I can just press it once now so it doesn't bounce on me. And now we're back at a double blink. That's probably the most popular setting right there. The beacon is rotating more quickly and the strobe is flashing twice. But since you've got wingtip strobes that are double blink, you may want to keep that on a single blink. It's just up to you. The circuit remembers the setting about 20 seconds after your last choice, and it'll come back on in that mode every time you turn it on. Let's continue around here. Those are your red and green wingtip lights. They're the wingtip strobes, and here are the landing lights. They're not on yet. I'll show you how this works. Now I've got this plugged into a single channel on my receiver. It's not necessary to use the 2 channels the way you were inquiring about when you first contacted me via the web page, and I'll show you how this works. I'm using just an old 8-channel Futaba. This is one of my favorite radios. It's still 72 megahertz. I use it here in the shop just for testing and so forth, but I'll show you how we do this. I've got the lights programmed to this 2-position switch right here. So when the switch is in that position, your lights are off. Now I'm going to flip it forward and you'll notice everything comes on except the landing lights. So you've got 2 positions, lights come on and off, everything except the landing lights. And the way we get the landing lights on is I have a program mix that is slaved to the gear channel. So when the gear channel goes high, the landing lights come on. It doesn't affect any of the rest of the lights. And that's done with the programming in the radio. What you do is you mix the gear channel with the channel that the lights are plugged into. In this case, it's the flap channel. So that when the gear channel goes high, the flap channel goes high, and that turns the landing lights on. And it's as simple as that. It's not complicated to do. You may be using a Spectrum or a JR radio or some other brand, and if you are, you can give me a call and I can step you through the programming. But it's a simple matter of programming a mix to make the channel do what you want it to do. And so I'm going to upload this video to YouTube and send you the link and let you have a look at it and make sure that everything looks good to you. And then assuming that it does, I'll get her packed up and headed your way. Thanks, Nick.